Today, we found everything from a rare 1 of 26 Dodge Superbee to a completely insane supercharged Mustang Fastback with a blown 528 big block sticking through the hood. And honestly, this might be one of the wildest classic car lineups we've looked at yet.
All right, today's lineup starts off pretty normal. A couple classic Mustangs, a nice convertible, some vintage American muscle, and then suddenly somebody decided to drop a supercharged 528 cubic inch monster into a fastback and completely lose their mind. So yeah, this one escalates quickly. Let's start with something clean and classic first. A red 1966 Ford Mustang GT Fastback out of Carlisle, Pennsylvania for $52,000. Now, this is exactly the kind of Mustang people picture when they think about the golden era of Ford muscle. Fastback body, 289 4-barrel V8, GT package, styled steel wheels, fold-down rear seat, rally pack gauges. This thing checks a lot of boxes. And one thing that really stands out here is how original the structure apparently is. Seller says it still has original floors, frame rails, trunk, and quarter panels with no rust underneath. That's important because old Mustangs were notorious for rust issues, so hearing original metal on a nearly 60-year-old fastback immediately gets attention. And honestly, I appreciate the seller describing it as a 10-footer. That's such an old-school, honest car guy term, basically meaning the paint looks great from 10 feet away, but up close you'll notice age and imperfections, which honestly might make this the perfect driver-quality fastback. You can actually enjoy it without being terrified of every little rock chip. And with the automatic transmission and front disc brakes, this probably cruises really comfortably too.
Next up is a car built for top-down summer cruising. A red 1965 Ford Mustang convertible from New York for $22,500. And honestly, this feels like one of the better, usable classic cars in today's market. Because instead of chasing strict originality, somebody upgraded the car in ways that make it more enjoyable to actually drive. It's got a replacement 260 V8, automatic transmission, front power disc brakes, dual exhaust, Bluetooth radio, newer wheels and tires, and even modern 3-point seatbelts. That stuff matters if you actually plan to put miles on a classic car. And the seller says it spent most of its life in California before moving to Long Island in 2021, which is a very good sign when it comes to rust. Now yes, it's not matching numbers and not the original color. But honestly, not everybody wants a concours-level investment car. Sometimes you just want a cool vintage Mustang convertible that fires up, sounds good, and makes every gas station stop feel like a car show. And this sounds exactly like that kind of car.
All right, now let's talk about the heavyweight. A rare 1971 Dodge Charger Superbee listed in Maryland for $75,000. And wow, this thing has an incredible story. First off, only 26 U-Code 440 4-barrel Superbees were built in 1971. 26! That's insanely rare. And according to the seller, this is one of only around 7 known to still exist today. That immediately makes this one of the rarest cars we've talked about in a while. And the coolest part? It sounds like an extremely honest car. Original steel body, California history, long-term ownership, original registration, original numbers matching engine and transmission still included with the sale. That's huge. Now, the original drivetrain isn't currently installed, but the replacement 440 in the car now sounds like a really healthy setup, with upgraded heads, mild cam, rebuilt transmission, Flowmasters, and machine gun exhaust tips. And honestly, the seller's description feels incredibly genuine. They openly mention paint imperfections, bubbling near the rear wheels, a broken hood release handle, and a bouncing speedometer needle. That kind of transparency usually makes me trust the rest of the listing way more. Plus, this thing was displayed at Chrysler's at Carlisle during the High Impact Color Showcase, which is pretty cool. And that factory citron yellow paint color? You either absolutely love it, or you stare at it for 10 minutes trying to decide if you love it. Either way, people definitely notice it.
Now let's cool things down slightly with a much simpler classic Mustang. A white 1965 Ford Mustang listed in Virginia for $15,500. And honestly, this is the kind of car that reminds you why Mustangs became popular in the first place. Simple, affordable, lightweight, easy to drive. This is an early production 1964 built Mustang with a 170 inline 6 and a 3-speed manual transmission. And while everybody loves talking about big block muscle cars, these smaller engine manual transmission Mustangs have a charm all their own. They feel light and mechanical. You hear the engine working. You row through the gears yourself. You actually feel connected to the car. And according to the seller, this one's already restored and comes with restoration paperwork. That's always reassuring. Plus, white paint with blue interior is such a clean vintage color combination, it almost feels like the perfect small-town summer cruiser. Not flashy, not aggressive, just timeless.
And finally, we've officially reached the insane part of today's video. A red 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe two-door listed in Pennsylvania for over $100,000. And yes, the listing says coupe, but based on the description, this is clearly a fastback restomod. And honestly, calling this thing a Mustang almost feels too polite, because this is basically a street-legal monster. Freshly built 528 cubic inch big block Ford. Massive 871 blower sticking through the hood. Built C4 transmission, Ford 9-inch rear. That's the kind of setup that physically shakes buildings when it idles. And the seller describes it perfectly. Not a show pony, a street terror. That tells you everything you need to know. This isn't pretending to be subtle. It isn't trying to look factory correct. It isn't worried about originality. This car exists for one reason only: maximum chaos. And honestly, there's something really cool about that. Because while some classic builds focus on perfect restorations, others focus purely on emotion, noise, power, violence, drama. And with an 871 blower sticking out of the hood, this thing probably gets attention literally everywhere it goes. Even people who don't care about cars would stop and stare at this thing.
All right, which one are you choosing? The rare superbee? The clean GT Fastback? The Mustang convertible? Or the absolutely ridiculous blown big block Fastback? Drop your favorite in the comments, because this lineup had everything from honest survivors to full-on street monsters. And if you enjoy classic American muscle cars and hidden marketplace finds like these, make sure you subscribe, because there are still some unbelievable cars sitting out there right now. See you in the next video.